Behind me is an innovation in the world of premium TVs, the Hisense 110UX, a 110-inch display. Standing here, you can truly appreciate its scale, over 2.5 meters wide, making a strong visual impact. This isn't just a TV, it's a display designed to transform any space. Until now, displays of this size were typically the domain of high-end home cinema projectors. But this brings this size into a self-contained, ultra-premium television. Before we dive into its incredible features, let's talk about connectivity. This model features a comprehensive selection of ports for seamless integration into any project. You'll find multiple HDMI 2.1 ports, ideal for 4K gaming and high bandwidth media, as well as USB ports, Ethernet and optical audio output. It also features eARC for seamless integration with advanced audio systems and is Wi-Fi 6 enabled for fast, stable streaming. Now, let's take a closer look at the technology that makes this display stand out. This TV employs Mini LED-X technology with up to 40,000 local dimming zones for precise light control and deeper blacks. With a peak brightness of up to 10,000 nits, it ensures content remains vivid and impactful, even in bright environments. While brightness enhances visibility, precise color accuracy ensures a natural and realistic image. The Dynamic X display on this TV enhances picture quality across different viewing conditions. First, its wide viewing angle ensures that image clarity and color accuracy remain consistent from any seat in the room, eliminating the need to find the best spot. Second, its low reflection screen reduces glare by 20%, maintaining clear and vivid visuals even in bright environments. Whether it's a sunlit room or an evening setting with open bifold doors, the display remains easy to view without distractions. Of course, a great panel is just one part of the equation. To truly refine every frame, you need advanced processing. At the core of the 110UX is the HiView Engine X, powered by an advanced 16-bit AI neural chipset. This processor stands out for its ability to analyze and optimize every frame in real time. It ensures precise control over color, contrast, and motion, enhancing clarity and delivering exceptional picture quality. Whether your clients are watching high-speed sports, fast-action gaming, or highly detailed cinematic scenes, the HiView Engine X ensures smooth and lifelike visuals without compromise. Let's now explore how adaptive HDR technology enhances the picture quality to meet the demands of any lighting environment. With Dolby Vision IQ, the 110UX adjusts HDR settings in real time, based on ambient lighting conditions, maintaining optimal picture quality in any environment. No premium viewing experience would be complete without equally powerful immersive audio. In most premium installations, this is likely to be paired with a dedicated surround system to deliver the ultimate audio experience. The inclusion of eARC ensures seamless integration with advanced audio systems, providing high-quality, lossless sound for home theatre setups. However, this TV features a CINEX sound system with a 4.2.2 channel setup supporting Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. The 110UX runs on the Smart OS with Freely, built on Google TV. The Smart OS provides access to streaming services, apps, and live TV channels. Freely is an innovative app that offers UK viewers free-to-air TV and on-demand content, all without requiring an aerial or satellite dish. For integrators designing gaming spaces, the 110UX delivers cutting-edge performance. Game Mode Pro supports variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, ensuring smooth motion and ultra-responsive gameplay on a massive 110-inch display. And with its native 144Hz refresh rate, fast-paced action stays smooth and fluid. For film enthusiasts, the 110UX delivers a cinematic experience through Filmmaker mode, preserving the director's intended visuals with accurate colors, contrast, and frame rates, removing motion, smoothing, and post-processing for a truly cinematic experience. This TV is designed for those who demand the best in home entertainment. With advanced Mini LED-X technology and exceptional picture quality, it's the perfect choice for integrators aiming to provide their clients with a standout display solution. Ideal for home cinemas, media rooms, or gaming setups, the 110UX offers outstanding performance on a grand scale. The Hisense 110UX is available through AWE, the leading UK distributor of premium home technology. To experience it for yourself and see how it integrates into projects, visit AWE HQ for a dealer demonstration. Contact your AWE representative today to book your appointment.